Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make all TikTok videos private at once. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on TikTok, click on the sign up now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, making your TikTok videos private at once can be a strategic move for various reasons. For example, if you want to focus on privacy, control, and security. If you are concerned about your personal safety or privacy, making all your videos private can help protect your information and prevent unwanted attention. If you have decided to become more private about your online presence, switching all your videos to private allows you to maintain control over who sees your content. Now, making all your videos private gives you the opportunity to review your content and ensure it aligns with their current values, goals, or public image. You might have older videos that no longer represent who you are or you want to share publicly. So making them private keeps them accessible to you without being visible to others. Now, you can do this in the web version, but I suggest you go to your mobile device and open the TikTok app, which I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna switch over to my TikTok app, and from here, for example, you want to make your this videos right here to become private. So I'm gonna click on one video of this one. Do you see the privacy settings? Just click on it and put it only me. Right? Now you have to do all these to all of your videos. Click on this specific video again. As you can see, I've made all my videos private to everything, alright? So, for example, you want to create another video right here. Just give me a few seconds. I'm gonna create one. Now, as you can see, you have the option down below wherein you can post everyone can view. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm going to select the view this post only from myself, alright? In that way, it's gonna be private, so you need to do all of these to all of your videos here on TikTok profile. Now, if in any case you encounter any problems along the way, I suggest you go to the TikTok Help Center, and from here, tell them that you're having problems creating all TikTok videos private at once. Alright? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.